Greetings everyone and welcome to my quick tutorial on how to solder. First thing you want to do is have your soldering iron ready by plugging it in and heating it up. Second thing you're going to do is have your solder ready. Third thing we're going to do is tin the wires. How we tin the wires is really simple. We're just going to coat the copper in solder. I find the easiest way to do this is to hold your soldering iron on one side of the wire and your solder on the other side, thus pinching it in between, and the solder, and you'll heat up the wire with one side and the solder will melt from the other one and coat the wire evenly. Now that I have a nice even coating of solder on here, I'm going to go ahead and rake my soldering tip across the wire here to remove the excess and kind of clean it up a little bit. As you can see, I've tinned the connections on what we're soldering to already. So all we have to do now is just melt the two together. Just take your pre-tinned wire and touch it to your pre-tinned connector and apply heat. You should see the solder melt instantly. Again, we're going to touch the pre-tinned wire to the pre-tinned connector and apply heat from the soldering iron to it. There it is, humans. It really is that simple. Practice, 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 and thank you for tuning into my channel.